Change parts. So you need something, you have a new bottle, you have to have a design, you don't know where to go. What we can do is, if we have never made parts for your machine before, what we can do is actually 3D scan your machine, and with the bottle data and the cap data, we can make chucks, we can make all your change parts, we can adapt it to quick change if you've never had it, or we can adapt it to the OEM style hubs that you have. We also have a wide range of spare parts for your machines, belts, discs, chuck parts, capper parts, bottle parts. We also, if we want to, I'll spin this around real quick, we also have the ability to 3D print. What we do with our 3D printer is we can make prototype parts for your machines. We've actually made twist chutes out of 3D printed parts. We've made parts for chucks. A lot of times if we don't know if it's something that you've never done before, if it's something that is unique outside the box, and you're wondering if it'll work before making it out of a cast aluminum or stainless steel, we have the ability to print